Yo, ladies and gents, little cheat code, the latest and greatest. Don't hate us because you ain't are not us. Anyways, check it out. So my CAA MCK is a great tool to make any weapon that you have sitting in your safe into much more formidable tool, right? Multiple points of contact, throw a right-on optic on the top. You got a little light there. You got thumb rests. You can adjust them to fit how you want to hold your hands and all that stuff. Boom. This handle in front looks a little weird, but it is actually perfect and extremely comfortable. So we have all the stuff, right? But one of the things I like to talk about is this platform for home defense, because you can still run pistol, which is short barrel, and you're running your 9mm. You put some other ball in there, you might get some worry less about over penetration, right? So, but what's so cool about this is, check this out, man. If I want to run some training at my pad, I can do some things like this. Skin them rinky dinky dink. Dinky dinky do. Now I've got the airsoft pistol in here. And I can literally, that is assembly. That is how difficult it is. And I can now, I can now run through my house, run drills, set up targets, clear different areas of the house, and make sure my home is an area that I have the tactical advantage of. Look at all the hard points, set up all the angles, all with this platform in order to make sure I have a tactical advantage if I ever need to defend my home. I can put this lightweight tool in the hands of various family members that are less physically potent, that would have trouble with something bigger and heavier, also to help them defend themselves. So I got a Glock airsoft gun, throw it in there. Now I can run around, do some training in the comfort of my own home, my backyard, whatever it is. Teach my other family members about firearms, all the stuff. So if you haven't seen them, check out CAA MCK. Take those pistols you have in your safe to the next level.